Inside the Nikon camera kit is a Z6 camera. This camera fits inside the bag a particular way to allow easy access. Placing it inside the bag with the handle grip up allows you to easily grab the camera when removing it and placing it back in the bag. Beside the camera is a shotgun microphone and a wireless microphone system used when recording interviews, B-roll footage, and other video. Behind the camera in the bag is a photo flash that should be used when taking portraits or when lighting is poor. In the top zipper compartment, you'll find batteries needed when using the wireless microphone or flash, a battery charger for the camera battery, and a few other accessories. In one of the flap pockets, you'll find a USB cable used to connect the camera to a computer. In the other flap pocket, you will find a different USB cable that is used to recharge the shotgun microphone battery. Make sure that you have secured all the items and closed all of the zipper compartments before you pick up the camera bag. The lens shade is mounted on the camera for transporting. You need to remove it, flip it, and remount it before using the camera. The on-off switch is located on top of the handle grip. Remember to turn the camera off before you put it away. If you need to reformat the memory card, press the menu button, select the Setup menu, then scroll up or down until you reach Format Memory Card. You should only do this if you would like to erase everything on the card. If you want to erase all the images on the card, select Yes. When it is finished, press the menu button to get back to the main screen. The camera switches automatically between the LCD monitor and the viewfinder when you place the camera up to your eye level. So sometimes the screen may turn black if something is blocking the viewfinder. To prevent this from happening, you can press the button on the left side of the viewfinder to put the camera in monitor-only mode. The program dial is located on the top left of the camera body. To change the mode, you must first press the detent in before turning the dial. A is for aperture priority mode, S is for shutter priority mode, M is for manual mode. The camera zoom ring allows you to zoom in closer or wider. There is a lock position indicated by a white dot. The zoom should be placed in the locked position when storing the camera. The auto or manual focus setting is on the left side of the lens barrel. The focus ring is used to manually focus the lens when the focus setting is set to M. A focus point is visible on the LCD monitor that indicates the area of the image that will be focused when in automatic focus mode. This point can be moved around via the joystick at the top right of the monitor or via the ring around the OK button. When you press the OK button, the focus point will return to the center of the screen. The ISO can be adjusted by holding down the ISO button and turning the back dial operated by using your thumb. When using the manual exposure mode, you can adjust the aperture setting by turning the front dial with your finger. The setting can be seen in the display on top of the camera body. The shutter setting can be adjusted by turning the back dial with your thumb. The camera has an exposure meter that is displayed in the LCD monitor and in the viewfinder. The exposure meter indicates whether the image is properly exposed, underexposed, or overexposed. The camera has an I menu that can be accessed by pressing the I button located to the right of the LCD monitor. This menu will give you access to the ISO setting, the image quality setting, flash compensation, which can be used to limit the flash if it is too bright, the release mode, which is used to take a single image or multiple images at once by holding down the shutter release button, the autofocus area mode, which allows you to focus to a single point on the screen or turn on eye focus for portraits. You can turn on silent photography when necessary. Adjust the image size. Adjust the metering mode. Adjust the exposure compensation. Turn vibration reduction off when using a tripod, and change the focus mode from single to continuous or manual. Continuous should be used when shooting fast action like sports. You can review the images you have taken by pressing the play button at the top left of the LCD monitor. After you're done reviewing, press the play button again.